Bridget Bartlett here. Today, I am going to show you how to create custom emails for the affiliate management system inside of HighLevel. Before I get started, if you want to join our free community, you can go to myvisionagency.com. You can also see our all tools plan where you can save thousands of dollars a month in software. You can also sign up for our software reseller program there as well. Okay. So, here inside of the affiliate management system, you'll see that if we go to the settings, we have email settings here for the whole affiliate management system. So if you wanted to create a universal email, of course, you can click here. We can also go into the actual marketing tab and create it. I'll show you how to do that today. So you have this main email here. If you don't want to send that, and we talked a little bit earlier in the week about why you may or may not want to send this. If you are sending one email and you're just kind of giving them access to everything that you offer inside of your client portal, because that's where the affiliate management system is hosted, then you may not want to send them a separate email to say you also have an affiliate program. You may just want to send the one email and then just inform them of that. Okay. So it's cool that we have the option where we can not only customize the email, but also choose when they get sent out and have an easier way to send them out if we do want to. So we don't have to necessarily build a automation workflow just to send the email. Okay. So we can toggle this on or off, and then we can select from our templates the template that we want to use for this campaign. Of course, when you're creating the templates, you need to make sure they have all of the relevant information on there so that it will pull in the details that they need to get access to. Okay, so that's why I wanted to show you today how you can actually do that. Now, we have this main setting here. You'll see if you go to Affiliate Manager and you go to the settings, this is how you'll access that. And this is going to be for the main, like everything, all of your campaigns. Okay. Now, if you want to set individual emails, like different emails, then you want to go into the actual campaign. And then if you go next and next again, you'll see under additional settings that you have the ability here to send a custom email for this specific campaign. Okay. Now, if you turn off the universal one, then it's only going to send per campaign, right? But that also means if you have four campaigns and you add someone to all four campaigns, do you want one email going out to invite them to the affiliate portal, or do you want four emails going out for each individual one? So that's really what you need to think about when you're building out your automations. And there is no right or wrong answer. It just depends on how you are setting all of your campaigns up and your workflows. And we all have different, strategies and all of that. So I just want to show you where the options are. So that is those options there. Now, before I go too deep into, you know, customizing the template, I did want to bring your attention to if you go into memberships, actually, I think it's here in the client portal and you go to settings, you will see that, and you go to email settings, you do see that this is for the client portal. Okay. So remember, the client portal houses our courses, our community, and our billing and subscriptions now, which is super cool. And it also hosts the affiliate management system. So when you invite people to your communities here, again, you want to be mindful of your strategy and all of the emails that are going out. Okay. So if your strategy, you do not want every time you invite someone to your community, like I said, the scenario in which you would not want to is if you are giving them access to everything all at once. So maybe it's your community, your courses, your affiliate management system, and maybe four different campaigns. If you leave it all on the default, they're going to receive about 4 or 5 emails, right? So, just so that you know, if you did want to toggle these off or turn them off rather, you can come here into the community section, and then you can just uncheck the boxes that you do not want to send the notifications to. Okay. These are also they'll be notified inside the app as well. Okay. So I just wanted to make sure that you're aware of all of that. So let's actually create the templates now. So we're going to go into the marketing tab and we're going to go to emails and templates, and we're going to create. First of all, let's go ahead and create a folder because I like to do that to make it simple. So let's say affiliate management and create. So now we've created our folder. Let's go ahead and just click in there and create our first template. So we do have options how we want to create the template. Honestly, most of us are going to choose this one because it's so easy to make beautiful emails there. Now, if you have sections saved, like a lot of us, when you're building out these emails, you'll have these sections here. Like, for example, I have a footer in this demo account, and I don't want to have to recreate that every time. So if you save it, and you can easily save it just by creating it, obviously, and then clicking the save button, and then it shows up here. You'll see I have two now. It shows up here so that you don't have to recreate that every time. So let's go ahead and just delete this. That definitely makes building templates super simple. Of course, this is a demo account, so I don't have any of that stuff in here. Let's go ahead and just choose here. Let's see if I have some sort of a logo. Of course, you could create it with AI if you wanted to as well. Let's just choose this one. Okay, and that's really big. So let's say we only want it to be 100 by 100. Okay. Now we can put our text here, like let's say, welcome to, or actually, let's just say refer and earn. All right. And now we want to say something like, of course, let's move this to the left. Hey, hey there. And here's the magic. Okay. We want to use these custom values up here. You can see this is where you're going to be. This is basically like a dynamic. All of this information can be filled in dynamically. Okay. And you'll see here we have affiliate manager. These are all the things that we're going to use in our campaigns, in our template, right? And that's going to pre fill in the data from the actual email and the campaign. So let's go ahead and just choose first name. Okay, so we're addressing the affiliate. Hey there. Um, let's see. Refer our um okay, so let's just promote and earn. Okay, I'm trying to keep this pretty simple just because we have different campaigns there. This week we talked about referring our community, and we also talked about referring our high level agency or SaaS agency. So let's just say promote and earn, and let's make this a universal one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do campaign name, campaign name, colon, and of course we want to spell that right. You guys know I'm a horrible speller. Let's even make this bold just because this is going to be, we're going to use the text here in the custom value. So we're going to say the campaign name is here. Okay. So now when we're sending this, it's pretty universal, right? Whatever that campaign name is, it's going to say campaign name, and then it's going to have whatever that is, right? So that would be universal. And then the next thing we may want to share with them is their affiliate link. So let's go ahead and type in your affiliate link. Let's make this bold. Here we go. All right, now let's go ahead and use that custom value. Let's go to affiliate manager and affiliate link. Okay. Let's see what other information we may want to share with them. Okay. Commission value, client portal URL. Definitely. They want to log in there. So let's just go ahead and click there. And then dashboard, or let's just go ahead and put portal, affiliate portal. We'll say that affiliate portal. All right. And bold. Now, of course, we could put anything else that we want to here, right? So we're building out our emails, but we just want them to look professional and on brand and all of that. Okay. So we can put anything that we want to. It's just important to know that when you are building these out for the actual affiliate management system, you need to make sure that you're using the affiliate manager. Contact or the custom values. That way, you make sure that you're putting all of the relevant data in there. Okay. These custom values here from the affiliate manager section is what's going to make it dynamic. So let's change the name of this and let's call it universal. Universal. Okay. And of course, we can go here to the settings. This is something everyone always forgets. And these settings are going to be tied to this template here. So if you wanted to say my demo business, that's going to be the from name. And then you can put your email address here, would say my demo business.com. You can add the subject line. Let's even use a custom value for this. And we'll say affiliate manager, first name. You are invited or you are approved. Let's say that. That sounds better. You are approved. And we have some preview text here. We can say, you have been approved to refer and earn dot, 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 and save. All right, so now we've saved our settings there. We've saved all of the relevant information. Let's go ahead and click Save Template. All right, so now we have our universal template that we've created there, and that would be for all campaigns. Okay, now let's go ahead and just, instead of recreating this all from scratch, let's just clone this. And let's say that this one is going to be for the community. Okay, because that was, or actually, just to make this universal, let's just say campaign one. All right. So now this is going to be specific for that campaign. Okay. So we are going to say promote and earn, promote and earn 30% commission for referring members to our community of amazing people who are standing by to change your life. Okay, that is a bold claim. All right, so here, this is just going to be for this specific campaign. That's why I said, promote and earn 30% commission for referring members to our community, da 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 da. I mean, we can change this to whatever we want to. Like maybe we don't like maybe the campaign name that we're using is actually just internal for us and we don't really want to call it that to our customer. So we could change that, but it will show up that way in your dashboard. Just know that you have those options here. And of course, for this specific campaign, their affiliate link will be pre-filled in there. And then they're still going to have access to the same client portal. So that doesn't need to change. What I do think is valuable here is if you share maybe pointers of how they would actually promote this specific offer. Like an example, this is a community. All of that information is really helpful for them. So let's just say we've customized this all we want. We're going to save that template. And of course, we want to make sure to change the settings here if we need to. That's pretty generic or universal rather. So we'll just go ahead and save that. And then we'll save the template again. So that's campaign number one. Let's go ahead and create campaign number two because I want to make sure that you guys know how to actually use these. So we'll say campaign two and clone. And now what we're going to say is refer and earn, promote and earn. Maybe this is a different percentage. Let's just say 20% commission for referring customers or clients to our amazing software that will take your business to the next level. All right. Now, again, we can customize this however we want to, okay? But the goal here is I just wanted to show you how to actually create the template and how you can set them all up, okay? So again, we want to check the settings here and make sure that this is all relevant, looks good. So let's go ahead and we're going to save this template. All right. Now that we've created our 2 templates here, let's go back, and now we need to actually create one more template, okay? So let's go ahead and we're gonna clone this template, and this one is going to be, affiliate sales, okay? Because we need to create a notification for our affiliates when they have actually made a sale. So I'm going to go ahead and clone that. Of course, we've already called it affiliate sales, so we're all good. Here, let's go ahead and say, congratulations, you have earned an affiliate commission. We can have the campaign name there. We can have the affiliate link and the portal and all of that. But maybe here, what we want to do is let's put a space and let's say commission earned. And we'll make this bold. And then we're going to come up here. Let's unbold that. We're going to come up here to the custom values and let's choose affiliate manager. And then we're going to choose commission value. Okay. So let's go ahead and save. And now they're going to be notified every time. We're going to use this template and notify them every time they've made a sale. Okay. So we probably want to change the settings here and say instead of you're approved, you made a sale. And we'll say, congratulations. You have just earned commission, dot, 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 and save. And let's go ahead and save this. All right. Now, let's actually figure out how to use these things, all right? Now, we have all of our campaigns here in a folder, so that makes it really easy. Let's go back to our affiliate manager now, and let's go to the settings because I want to show you this is where we're going to put the universal email, okay? Now, you don't want to have the universal and each individual campaign because, again, we want to be mindful of all the emails going out here. So here, we would choose the universal email. Okay, so you can see it's pulled in our email. If we did need to make some quick edits, we could do that there. Okay, so let's say this is our universal. We're going to go ahead and save. Now, if we wanted to set at the campaign level, let's go to our actual campaigns. Let's click in the community tab. Let's go next, next, additional settings. And here we're going to choose the, let's say campaign one. Okay. So here's our campaign one email. It's toggled on. So now it's being sent out. So now just what we're following along here is if we have a new affiliate added, what's going to happen is with these two things turned on, they're going to receive the universal email, and they're also going to receive the community campaign one email. Let's go ahead and choose the this other campaign here. And again, we're going to go next and go to additional settings, and we would choose the campaign two email. Okay. And here we go, publish. All right. So now our affiliates, if we're giving them access to both campaigns right now, it's a set, it's going to be sending 3 emails, right? The universal one and then each individual one. So you may not want to do that, like I said, because they're going to be receiving multiple emails. So let's actually, if we turn all these off, I'll show you what to do if you decided to do that. So let's go to campaign here. Let's go back here. Let's just turn all of these off and let's build a workflow and we will send there. Okay, so publish. Let's turn this other one off here and next and turn it off and publish. Okay, now let's build an automation. So we'll create folder and we actually need maybe several automations, but I'll show you the important ones, okay? So however you are adding people to your affiliate program, that's going to be the trigger, right? Whether it's they filled out a form or they purchased a product or they signed up for your community or whatever it is, that's going to be what your trigger is, okay? Now, the important part here is the affiliate part. Okay. We need to add them to all the campaigns. All right. So if I want to add to the AI ads campaign, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I want to add them to this other campaign that we created together, community. But see, if I'm adding them, let's say that they purchased our CRM. Okay, so I'm going to just go order, and let's say that they purchase this product, and this is what I'm going to be sending them. So when they purchase this product, I'm going to add them to my affiliate campaign. Okay. Now I need to invite them to my client portal. So let's say that I want to invite them to my group, right? So I'm going to say grant offer. Okay. So this is like my onboarding course. Let's say also I want to, let's go down here. I did see high levels changing some things around. So let's see. So we have, where is grant course offer? Where is our community? All right, let's see. Client. Okay. So now I don't see every time this happens, I think, "Oh my goodness, a new feature's coming out that or has already come out that I have not discovered yet." Okay. Regardless of this, you're gonna invite them to however you need to. As soon as you invite them to a campaign, it's going to give them access to the affiliate manager because they have to access the affiliate manager to access the campaign. So it really doesn't matter if you have other things that you're inviting them to. But they are going to remember we turned those emails off. Okay. So they are going to receive access, but they're not going to receive any login credentials if this is the only thing that you've sent them. So you want to make sure to send them an email and tell them how that they're going to get access to those things. Okay. Now, it definitely helps if you're inviting them to the client portal and they're already, as soon as they have access to that, you'll see in the top right hand corner where it says affiliate, they'll be able to click in there. And if you see, for example, our community here, this is what it looks like when you get access to the community and the courses and all of that. And then you can see the affiliate management system here, and that they're going to get access to everything. Okay. So that's how all of this works together. When you get access, you are determining when you give them access to one of these things, you're giving them actually access to the client portal, which is just one place. But whatever they can access inside of here is determined by what you grant them access to inside the workflows. Okay. So hopefully that clarified all of that and helps you kind of get a good idea of how you want to set up your workflows so that you're sending them the appropriate information and not bombarding them with 10 emails as soon as they sign up. Okay. So thank you all so much for joining me. Remember, if you're not a member of our free community, you can go to myvisionagency.com. You can also check out our reseller program and our all tools plan there. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Go make your vision a reality. Bye. Thank you so much for joining us for today's training. If you have any questions, you can join us for open office hours starting